Are you where you want to be in terms of your pre-season progress?
It's okay. For this time of the season, 2 weeks before the first game, it's okay. Of course, we are not in 100% shape, but you don't need to be now sharp and 100% shape because we are in preparation and we work hard. Also, we don't have now all our squad, but in 3-4 weeks, we will have all our squad and in good shape.
And how have you found your preparation so far at Charlton?
I think it's been some good weeks for me. I mean, compared to the first couple of weeks, I think I improved myself, and I think I'm learning my teammates more and more to how we want to play and how everything is going in this club. So hopefully in the next 2 weeks we'll be even more sharp and ready for the season to start.